Okay, final comments. Who do you think is winning, Tapash? Let me ask you off the bat. Tapash is like, why me?
Well, it's going to be a tough game for both the parties, but if either of the party, BJP or Trinamool Congress, either of them will win.
Yes, we know.
But it's not going to be a cakewalk. There could be erosion in the Trinamool vote bank, what I see,
Achha,
but
edge.
I don't
Who
believe.
has the edge?
Yep,
Who has the edge?
TMC. I would
Oh,
say.
he's sticking his neck out. Tapash is saying TMC has the edge. Indrajit Kundu, West Bengal Bureau Chief, you have a lot at stake.
To me, and I had an answer ready. I think whoever wins, whichever political party wins, I'll answer like a politician. On the May 4th, it is going to be the people of West Bengal who will win. 92%.
Hey, but you're not a
polling.
politician. I'm still going to ask you. Who has the edge?
I'm just putting up the
He
act
is-
of a politician, covering politicians
See, there are
so
a
much.
lot,
But
like
no,
I said, there's a lot of pressure on bureau chiefs,
but I'll still
Yes,
put
say.
my neck out. You know, it's a extremely fascinating election, very difficult to predict as always, Bengal, and especially given that the SIR has happened, there wasn't any dipstick for us to measure anything.
True.
I believe that in Bengal, if you see history, if there is change that is coming, there is a hint of it.
Forewarning.
When 2011 happened,
There is a political forewarning,
2008,
okay.
2009. 2024 elections, the Trinamool Congress clean swept, and now again we are seeing vocal anti-incumbency. So we really can't predict. But on ground, given the kind of Sangathan and the strength that the Trinamool has, I would still give the Trinamool a slight edge over the BJP.
TMC.
Yeah.
Okay. So just to say it again, our West Bengal Bureau Chief, Indrajit Kundu, has also stuck his neck out and he's saying TMC has a slight edge.
Yeah.
I will go with TMC because if I can, if I see the North Bengal, that is the edge for BJP, and in South Bengal, that is for TMC.
I'll tell about 152 seats that BJP has.
First phase.
Yeah, on the
16
first phase.
districts first phase.
Out of 294, 152 seats. BJP, I think, because I have traveled to North Bengal, most of the regions, so I'm getting a sense that BJP has some edge over TMC in the first phase of elections. But the second
But they
phase,
should have some edge. This is where this is their
Yes,
stronghold.
their
but the
stronghold,
second
yes.
phase, 142 seats, the main challenge for BJP is for this second phase.
Okay, tell me, Maria, what is the outsider's perspective in this?
So outsider's perspective would be, I mean, for me, I sense a high percentage of also silent voters in certain pockets. They are not revealing their choices, but the sense of, fear with the state government is gone, or the local leadership, which was largely there. Here is the party, the BJP, which has gone up from 3 in 2016 to 77 in 2021. What will happen this time around? I'm going to wait. But whosoever wins, it's going to be a decisive victory. This is no
Okay, you're
election.
saying it's not going to be close.
It's not going to be a close election. Whosoever is winning, it's going to be either way. Bengal has made up its mind and it's going to be going either ways, and it will be very clear. It will not be this way or that way. It will not be 120, 140 at the other side.
Okay, what I feel is that the BJP needs to double what it had the last time around. It stood at 77. It's right now at 66, if I'm not wrong. Correct? 64, 66 is where they are. 65. Okay. So they need to double where they are. That would mean that this needs to be a wave election for the Bharatiya Janata Party to do so. I'm only looking at electoral math, Maria, because traditional psephology in West Bengal would suggest that the minority vote will go with Mamata Banerjee. It's consolidated, especially at the back of SIR and the back of the bipolarity of this contest. So if Mamata Banerjee already has that 27 to 30%, you don't know how much she'll get out of that. The last time around, the BJP had about 38%. That, if you do the math, let's say they got 40% of the vote. Now, we can safely say that vote came out of the Hindu vote. 70% is Hindu. That means they've already taken about 55 to 57% of the
On
Hindu
the left
vote.
vote, if you
Or the
will.
left vote.
But is left in Congress even relevant? I
I don't think it's relevant. That's why we haven't spoken about that. So they've already, I feel they're at a stage where they already have 55 to 57% of the Hindu vote. They'll need to touch for a wave because, I don't see them
Has
getting
it
a big
maxed
chunk of
out?
the minority vote.
The question is, has it maxed out?
Has it maxed out, or is there scope?
the Hindu vote?
Because they
if
will
at
then
all?
need to look at getting 70% of the Hindu vote.
Yeah.
Can they do it? Mamata Banerjee, like I said earlier, needs a majority of the minority vote, minority of the majority vote. Now, in the minority of the majority, women will play a factor. That's all I can say. It is a tough election, and then there is also SIR.
And for most psephologists,
There
I
is
can tell
SIR.
you, of course. And
You
for
don't know
most
how it will,
For most
impact.
psephologists, Bengal is a Waterloo.
I agree, it's a Waterloo. I agree.
any one of them.
We take it with a fistful of salt. Thank you. all of you for joining us. We leave it at that. Indro, do you want to end with something in Bengali, which you can explain to Maria and I?
আমি সবাইকে শুধু একটাই কথা বলতে চাই আমাদের দর্শকদেরকে, কারণ এখনো পর্যন্ত একটা ফেজ বাকি রয়েছে। দের স্টিল ওয়ান ফেজ টু গো। সো দ্য অনলি থিং দ্যাট আই উইল সে ইজ আপনারা আসুন, বেরোন, বাড়ি থেকে বেরোন এবং বেশি সংখ্যায় ভোট দিন। একটা রেকর্ড তো প্রথম ফেজে হয়েছে,
ছোট রাখো।
দ্বিতীয় ফেজে আরো বড় রেকর্ড করুন। সো হোয়াট আই সেড ওয়াজ ফার্স্ট ফেজ ওয়াজ আ রেকর্ড, সেকেন্ড ফেজ স্ম্যাশ দ্য রেকর্ড ইন দ্য ফার্স্ট ফেজ।
All right, okay, yeah, let's hope that it is a
That's
record.
spoken like a
yeah.
politician.
And yeah, that is spoken like he's been speaking like a politician. Okay, so this is the team. We've tried to bring you an unbiased view of this election. We've done our best to do that. There's been a team behind as well. Let's all come together and we'll bring the crew who was with us. So let's all of you just quickly come.
Come.
So we can end this show. It's very hot, like most of us know on ground. Just come there, come, quickly come in. So we've had our teams coming in. Now these are the people who are only coming from Delhi. The West Bengal Bureau has been working day and night to make sure you get the news from the state, like I said, unbiased, unfiltered, for you to decide where this election is going. So that's all of us. That's the camera team. That's the producers. That's us reporters. Thank you for watching. Say it in Bengali.
অনেক ধন্যবাদ।
Onek dhanyabad. Thank you.